Hello, everyone, and welcome to Time Saving Tip Tuesday. Have you ever had an email that you send over and over and over, and you're getting really tired of having to copy and paste that same information from a Google Doc or from the Notes app on your phone into the body of an email? I have an awesome hack for you today that I'm going to show you that is Google Gmail email templates that will eliminate the need for copy and paste. My name is Cassie Hayes, and I am the founder and operations director at the Premier OpSpot, where we help 6- and 7-figure business owners optimize their operations and manage people, processes, and projects so they can focus on revenue growth and new initiatives. Let's dig in. In order to start this new email template, you're just going to open an email just like you would any other time. And then you're going to fill in the information that you need. So let's say we're going to send it to our team, and we're going to say team meeting reminder. And then maybe we're going to give them the agenda. So we could say, hey team, looking forward to seeing you this week. We could even link to the agenda. Of course, we would write it out a little better. See you soon. Okay, now in order to save this as a template, we're going to go down to the magical 3 dots that Google always provides for us, where it says more options. You can see templates is right here. And then we're going to save draft as template and save as a new template. Notice that the template name will automatically default to the subject line of your email. Now, let's say you want to edit a template. Perhaps I forgot to say, please come prepared, having completed the personality assessment. Now I'm going to go back into templates. We're going to save draft as template again. And since it's up here, notice it says overwrite template. We're going to hit that, and it will now change the template to include this sentence every single time we use it. Now, how do you use a template once you have set it up? We're going to go to compose again. And then again, the magical 3 dots, go to templates, and then choose the one that we want. Now you'll notice there are some different ones in here. And so this is one that I set up for a client to send to her VA every time that they received a payment. They have sort of some processes in flux right now. And so anytime she receives a payment by check, she notifies her VA using this template. Notice I included the link to the SOP document so that if the VA ever forgot how to use it, she could easily access that. And then the client would just fill in the name of the client company, the method, the check number, the amount, and then the date received. And then you can go ahead and send the template. Super easy. This will probably save you so much time, especially if you're not at a place yet that you have a client management system. This is an awesome way to check in on people or to eliminate the need for copy paste and wasted time. Enjoy.